Did you know that less than 3% of computing professionals are black women? That shocking statistic might explain why tech feels so unwelcoming to so many talented people. Picture this. You're a brilliant young girl who loves math and problem solving. But every time you look at the tech world, you see the same faces over and over again. No one looks like you. No one shares your background. You start thinking maybe this field isn't for you after all. This was reality for countless black girls across America until 2011. That's when electrical engineer Kimberly Bryant decided to do something revolutionary. After watching her own daughter struggle to find her place in a computer science summer camp, Bryant created Black Girls Code. Her simple mission? Show young black girls that they absolutely belong in technology. Here's exactly how Bryant built a movement that's now reached over 20,000 girls worldwide. First, she started local. Bryant began with just one workshop in San Francisco. She didn't try to change the entire tech industry overnight. Instead, she focused on teaching basic coding skills to a small group of girls aged 7 to 17. Why does starting small work so well? Psychology research shows that localized success builds confidence and creates proof of concept. When those first girls learned to code websites and mobile apps, they became living examples that this was possible. Second, Bryant made coding culturally relevant. Instead of generic programming exercises, Black Girls Code connects coding to real-world issues that matter to these communities. Girls build apps to address food deserts in their neighborhoods or create websites highlighting Black history. This approach works because relevance increases engagement. When learning feels personal and meaningful, retention rates skyrocket. Third, she created visible representation. Bryant recruited Black women engineers and programmers as mentors and instructors. Seeing successful professionals who looked like them shattered limiting beliefs instantly. Neuroscience confirms that representation literally rewires the brain's sense of possibility. When girls see someone who shares their identity succeeding, their brains begin imagining that same success for themselves. Fourth, Bryant emphasized hands-on learning over theory. Girls don't just learn about coding, they immediately start building real projects. This tactile approach leverages kinesthetic learning, which helps knowledge stick. Plus, creating something tangible provides instant gratification and momentum. Fifth, she built a supportive community. Black girls. Code events feel like celebrations, not intimidating tech meetups. Girls encourage each other, share struggles, and celebrate wins together. This social element is crucial because peer support dramatically increases persistence in challenging subjects. Now, I'll be honest. When I first heard about this approach, I was skeptical. Could local workshops really make a dent in such a massive industry problem? But here's what happened. Within just 2 years, Black Girls Code expanded to multiple cities. Girls who attended workshops started winning coding competitions, getting internships at major tech companies, and choosing computer science majors in college. Companies like Google and Microsoft began partnering with the organization. The ripple effect was undeniable. Today, Black Girls Code operates in over 15 cities and has inspired similar organizations worldwide. Former participants are now software engineers, data scientists, and tech entrepreneurs. What started as one mother's solution to help her daughter has fundamentally shifted how the tech industry thinks about diversity and inclusion. Here's your challenge. Identify one barrier in your field or community that others see as impossible to change. Start exactly where Bryant started, local and small. Organize one event, workshop, or gathering focused on breaking down that barrier for just 10 people. Do this consistently for 6 months and watch what happens. Remember, every massive change in history started with someone who refused to accept that things had to stay the same. Your small action today could become tomorrow's revolution.